business in Hong Kong these days. I know, I saw some... run over yesterday. It was horrible.
What, can I help you? You go enjoy yourself.
打靶仔，撞完人啊雞咁腳走。
You think they are so important, you get them.
打返隻狗啦！插佢屎啊！係咁啊！係啊！有啊！放低佢啦！
I talked to Mr. Chang's son today. He is doing very well in the state in Central.
I'm positive ID of suspect. We got them! We got them!
How's your friend Tiffany doing, huh? You two never talk anymore. She works.
You have a car in here? Oh, I wish I could live your life. Just for one day.
The city's #1 club for dubstep fans and girls in skimpy dresses. Now open every Saturday with a full choice of mind-blowing cocktails, bottled beers, and mops. Don't wait. Make it a date. Full Star. For an evening you won't forget.
The long-awaited Wangan GSX is here. Contemporary sports car styling, breathtaking performance, and the fastest production sports coupe on the road. Featuring 6-speed automatic transmission and a revolutionary drive control. The Wangan GSX, a legend in the making.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pull up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. If we boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think it's you, May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie.
Oh, shit! Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running. Come and get me!
There's more of them! Warehouse, man. Shit, we're taking off the goods! Go, 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 man! Whoa! Don't let him get away, man! Faster, man! Oh, shit!
就像是生命被解开，就像是奇迹被等来，提示的声音一直都在。
door's right in the way.
I thought you said this was gonna be easy.
Hurry up, man, they're getting away. Run him off the road. Yeah, hit him, man. Oh, shit. Ram him, take out his car. We did it, man, we did it. Hang on, I'll go get the watches. Wait, we got him. Damn, that was crazy, man. We did it, holy shit, we did it. Check it out, it's raining Cambria.
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive. Wait, drive. Where'd they come from? Man, why can't they just leave us alone? Did you lose them? Whoa!
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. These cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole, poor guy. But he has friends in high places.
Hey, he's a piece of shit. Don't be afraid of him.
Man, wait, you just got back.
So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. Sonora.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here, take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time.